make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so welcome back to my Best of Lush series. Now today's video is going to be the best massage bars, so I hope you guys are excited for this video. I have delved deep within my Lush collection, and I've pulled out all my favourite massage bars that have ever been, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now I'm not going to lie to you, I can't remember the names of two of them, but they're recent, so hopefully you guys know what they are, and if you know what they are, please comment in the description because I can't for the life of me remember what the name was. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoy the video and carry on watching. So the first one is from a very, very recent video, and I believe this was, I want to say Valentine's Day, but I can't remember. I think it was Valentine's Day, and this is the one that looks like a banana. Now please comment down below what this was called because I can't remember, but I love this one so much. It's so moisturising on the skin, and to be honest with you, I just really love the smell of it. Like, it just smells incredible. It doesn't smell like banana, it smells kind of like a spa mix of like cocoa butter, and it's just so yummy. So I've really been loving using this one recently, and I've just been obsessed. But I can't remember what it's called, so do let me know down below. But yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend this one. Obviously it is in a collection, so you can't get it at the moment. I had to put that one down because it was melting in my fingers, but I really love the scent of it. It smells incredible. I don't know when you can get it again, so I do apologise that a few of these are going to be limited edition. However, actually 4 of them aren't and 4 of them are, so 4 of them you can get all year round, so hopefully that makes up for it. But yes, that one is really, really good. Really like that one. Next up we have the Soft Care Massage Bar. Now I'm not going to be able to hold these for very long because it's very, very hot today and these are melting in my hands, but this one basically smells like vanilla. It's so good and so fresh, and it's really nice if you like sweet scents. Definitely up my street. But you can get this one still in stores at the moment. I'm just going to pop that down because it's literally melting in my fingers. But that one's been my favourite for a really long time. I always grab that one because it just smells amazing. But it's really great to use them after you've had a shower or a bath because it just absorbs straight into the skin and it makes you so soft. But I would recommend using it like at night time, only because it's so oily that just like in the daytime I just can't, like, I can't deal with it. So it's definitely a nighttime moisturiser for me. But if you haven't used them, definitely give them a go because they're really, really rich, and if you've got dry skin, a 10 out of 10. The next one, again, I can't remember the name of it, but it is this one. Now this one I have been loving using recently. It's really, really good, really, really sweet. I believe it came out for Christmas, but the thing is with this one, I find it melts really, really fast, so you don't need to use it necessarily out of the bath. Literally just on kind of room temperature, like, it will melt really quickly and it smells beautiful. So I'm really sorry I can't kind of hold it up to show you, but that was one of my favourites as well. I absolutely love it. I'm sorry I can't hold them up for too long, but they're literally melting in my hands, so I have to be really, really quick. So moving on to the next one. The next one is an all year round product, and this is the Wiki Magic Muscles Massage Bar. Now I'm not going to lie, the smell of this is gross. Like, it's disgusting, but when you have achy muscles, this is amazing. Like, I can just get over the smell because it just does wonders. Like, if you've been on a really long walk or your legs ache or your arms are aching like after the gym, this is incredible. So the more you use it, obviously the more this is going to go down, but the little beads in it actually really help to kind of massage it in, and you can get this one all year round. It's amazing. My mum and dad like it as well, but it's just a really nice fragrance. It's very smoky and like spicy, but so, so good. Would really recommend this one as well. It's just really nice, but now my hands are oily, and honestly, oh, if you're someone that goes to the gym or you just generally have achy muscles and things, I would definitely recommend that one. It's so, so good. The smell is really, really, like, it's just not up my street, but I can get over that for the actual product itself and like how it works because it's just amazing. Next up is one of my favourites, and that is a Goth Fairy. Now this comes out pretty much every year for Christmas, and I'm going to show you how this one works. So this isn't really just a massage bar, this is more of a shimmer bar. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my arm, and hopefully you guys are going to be able to see. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? Can you see that? Maybe. I don't know. But this one smells like Space Girl Bath Bomb. So it smells like Palmer Violets, which instantly gets a 10 out of 10 for me, but also it's sparkly. So if you're somebody that goes on holiday, or, you know, you're I don't know, you just like a bit of glitter. Like, this is definitely up my street. Like, I love it, and it smells amazing, it looks adorable, and I would really, really, really recommend it. I don't think they are coming back out this year, because when I saw the spoilers, I don't think it was on there, but it smells amazing. So if you like it, then I would definitely pick it up. The next one, again, I believe used to be an all year round one, but I think it's got discontinued now. I'm not 100% sure, but that is from Dusk Till Dawn. This one smells like lemons and oranges, and it's just so citrusy. It's amazing. It's one of my all-time favourites, actually, just because of the smell, but it's just really, really lovely, and it looks like this. And I believe this was designed, I want to say, after Madonna's bra. I could be wrong, but I think that's what they tried to design it off. I'm not sure, but this one actually is great if you want to use it for massaging, because of the the pointiness of it, but it just smells incredible, and I just honestly use it for the smell. Like, it's just one of my faves. It's so sweet, and I really like the citrusy sweet smells, so it just smells incredible. The next one isn't necessarily a massage bar, but it is one of my faves, and I just want to share it with you because I'm obsessed with it, and that is the Gingerbread Man Sparkle Jar. So technically it's a massage bar because the outside is a massage bar, but it has a dusting powder inside, and I'm clever. And a dusting powder is kind of like something you'd put on your skin after a massage bar, so you don't have that oily feeling. But this just smells like Christmas. Like, I love the smell of this, so I had to include it because it's just one of my favourites, and look how cute it is. I love it. It's so cute. But yeah, unfortunately you can't buy that one anymore either, but I do like it. I've tried to do a few that you can kind of buy now and some that are limited edition, just because I do like them all and I want to be honest and sort of share my honest opinions. But yeah, that one unfortunately you can't buy at this current moment in time. However, obviously I don't know what they're bringing out for Christmas. Well, that's a lie, I do know what they're bringing out for Christmas, but we can only hope they bring out the Gingerbread Man Sparkle Jar because it's so good. And last but not least is again another all year round product, and that is the Therapy Massage Bar. Now this one I really like for a few reasons. So firstly, I like it because it's really good for stretch marks and stuff like that. So I think it's great to be able to use it kind of every day, out of the shower, that kind of thing. I really, really like it. But also it's amazing for women who are expecting babies because it kind of helps to prevent the stretch marks. So it's really, really great. Has a really light scent, so it's nothing overpowering or anything like that, but it's just so lovely. And to be honest with you, I just really like it. Like, it's a really simple scent, so if you're using some like strong scents in the shower or anything like that, like, it's not going to mix with it, but that smells incredible. And again, that is an all year round product, so you can get those now, and they're really nice gifts as well, so would highly recommend it. So that is everything for this video. Those are my favourite massage bars, especially of right now. I'm absolutely loving them. So let me know down below your absolute all-time faves. I would love to know. And yeah, I'm going to hopefully film another one of these videos really soon, so stick around, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!